Meaning of Dutch auction.
Dutch auction.
Dutch auction.
Dutch auction.
Dutch auction. A Dutch auction is a type of auction where the price of an item starts high and is gradually lowered until a bidder agrees to pay the current price. The first bidder to agree to the price wins the item. This type of auction is often used for selling securities, such as bonds or stocks. Dutch auctions are also used for some types of government procurement contracts. The result of a Dutch auction is that the item is sold for the highest price that someone is willing to pay, often resulting in a lower price than if a traditional auction had been used.